हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि मैंने अपने चैनल पर चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट एंड पेडागोजी के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज़ स्टार्ट कर रखी है एंड ये उसी सीरीज़ का पार्ट 10 है। तो जिन्होंने भी रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स नहीं देखे हैं वो चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट पर जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं। एंड वीडियो अगर पसंद आती है तो इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं हम अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द पीरियड ऑफ इन्फेंसी इज फ्रॉम फर्स्ट बर्थ टू 1 ईयर, सेकेंड बर्थ टू 2 ईयर्स, थर्ड बर्थ टू 3 ईयर्स या फोर्थ 2 to 3 ईयर्स। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सेकेंड। नेक्स्ट, according to Piaget, a child between 2 to 7 years is in the dash stage of cognitive development. First pre-operational, second formal operational, third concrete operational या fourth sensory motor stage. So correct answer is option 1, pre-operational. Next is development proceeds from dash to dash. First general to specific, complex to hard, specific to general या simple to easy. So correct answer is option 1. Next, when adults adjust to the assistance they provide to facilitate progression of the child from current level of performance to potential level of performance, it is called first proximal development, second scaffolding, third participatory learning या fourth collaborative learning. So correct answer is option second, scaffolding. Next, the process of changing the existing schemas to include new information is called first adaptation, second assimilation, third accommodation या fourth egocentrism. So correct answer is option 3, accommodation. Next is in middle childhood, speech is more dash rather than dash. First egocentric rather than socialized, second socialized rather than egocentric, third animistic rather than socialized, या fourth mature rather than immature. So correct answer is option 1, speech is egocentric rather than socialized. Next, the child centered education involves first hands on activities for kids, second children sitting in a corner, third learning in restricted environment, या fourth activities that do not include play. So correct answer is option 1. Next, the class teacher observed Raghav in her class playing melodious self-composed music on his keyboard. The class teacher thought that Raghav seemed to be high in dash intelligence. Options are spatial, second bodily kinesthetic, third musical या fourth linguistic. So answer is option 3, musical intelligence. Next, when a teacher considers boys as naturally better at mathematics than girls, it shows that the teacher is first ethical, second gender biased, third moralistic, या fourth right minded. Correct answer is option 2. Next, inclusive education assumes that we should change the dash to fit the dash. We should change the child to fit the system. We should change the system to fit the child. We should change the environment to fit the family. Yeah, fourth, we should change the child to fit the environment. So correct answer is option number second. We should change the system to fit the child. Children have the potential to create knowledge and make meaning making. From this perspective, the role of a teacher is that of a first negotiator, second communicator and lecturer, third facilitator, या fourth director. So correct answer is option 3. Next, which one of the following is not a characteristic of gifted children? First, higher order mental processes, high self efficacy, below average mental processes, solving problems insightfully. Correct answer is option 3. Next, according to the pre-conventional level of Kohlberg's theory, to which of the following would an individual turn when making a moral decision? First, potential punishment involved personal needs and desires, individual values या family expectations. सो प्री कन्वेंशनल लेवल पर है अगर चाइल्ड तो वो होगा पोटेंशियल पनिशमेंट इन्वॉल्व। नेक्स्ट, रिगार्डिंग लर्नर्स इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस द टीचर शुड फर्स्ट provide a variety of learning situations, second solve the problem based on deductive method, third most of the time use algorithms, fourth provide facts to students to memorize them. तो करेक्ट आंसर है इसका ऑप्शन नंबर 1. नेक्स्ट, which one of the following is not the principle of child development? First, all development follows a sequence. Second, all areas of development are important. Third, all development results from an interaction of maturation and experience. Yeah, fourth, all development and learning proceed at an equal rate. So correct answer is option 4. Next, which one of the following would be the most effective way of conducting assessment? First, assessment should be at the end of the session. Second, assessment is an inbuilt process in teaching learning. Third, assessment should be done twice in an academic session, at the beginning and at the end. Yeah, fourth, assessment should be done by an external agency and not by the teacher. So correct answer is option 2. Next, which one of the following is related to creativity? First, divergent thinking, convergent thinking, emotional thinking, या egoistic thinking. Correct answer is option 1. Next, which one of the following statements about children would Vygotsky agree with? First, children learn through social interaction with peers and adults. Second, children learn when they are offered lucrative rewards. Third, children's thinking can be understood by conducting laboratory experiments on animals. Yeah, fourth, children are born evil and need to be controlled through punishment. So, correct answer is option 1. Next, children are first curious beings who use their own logic and abilities to explore the world around them. Second, adult like in their thinking, and there is a quantitative increase in their thinking as they grow up. Second, like empty vessels in which knowledge given by the adults is filled. Yeah, fourth, passive beings who can produce exact copies of the information transmitted to them. So correct answer is option 1. Next, which of the following statements about children's errors is correct? Children commit errors because they are careless. Second, children's errors are part of the learning process. Third, children commit errors when the teacher is lenient and does not punish them for mistakes. Yeah, fourth, children's errors are insignificant for the teacher and she should just strike out the mistakes and not pay any attention to them. So, correct answer is option number 2. Next, a teacher needs to ensure that all learners in her class feel accepted and valued. To do this, the teacher should first make strict rules and punish children who do not follow them. Second, look down upon children from disadvantaged backgrounds so that they feel they have to work harder. Third, find out students who speak good English and are from rich backgrounds and present them as role models. Yeah, fourth, get to know the social and cultural background of our students and encourage diverse opinions in the class. So जो correct answer है option 4 है. Next है, Suresh generally likes to study alone in a quiet room, whereas Madan likes to study in a group with his friends. This is because of difference in their first values, aptitudes, learning styles and levels of reflectivity. So correct answer is option number 3. Next, India has a lot of linguistic diversity. In this context, what is the most appropriate statement about multilingual classrooms at primary level, especially class 1st and 2nd? Students should be penalized for using their mother tongue or local language. Second, the schools should admit only those students whose mother tongue is the same as the language of instruction. Third, the teacher should respect all languages and encourage children to communicate in all of them. Yeah, fourth, the teacher should ignore children who use their mother tongue in the class. So correct answer is option number 3. Next, what is meant by nature in nature nurture controversy? So, the environment around us, biological givens or the heredity information, temperament of an individual या complex forces of the physical and social world. So, जो correct answer है वो है option number 2. Next, mass media is becoming a very important agency of socialization. Which one of these following is the most appropriate statement? First, media is a very good way to advertise and sell products. Second, socialization is done by the parents and the family only. Third, access to mass media is growing and mass media influences attitudes, values, and beliefs. Your fourth, children cannot directly interact with media. Correct answer is option 3. Next, how children learn, which one of the following is not true with respect to this statement? First, children learn in class only. Second, children learn when they are cognitively ready. Third, children learn in a number of ways. Children learn as they are naturally motivated. So, correct answer is option 1. Which one of the following strategies should a primary teacher adopt to motivate her students? Encourage competition for marks amongst individual students. Second, use incentives, rewards, and punishment as motivating factors for each activity. Third, help children set goals as per their interest and support them in working towards the same. Your fourth, set standard goals for the entire class and have rigid parameters to assess achievement of those goals. So, जो correct answer है वो है option number 3. Next, which one of the following is the primary agent of socialization? Family, computer, heredity, or political parties? Answer is option 1. Next, giving children group work is an effective pedagogic strategy since it helps to reduce the teacher's work. It allows some children to dominate the others in a small groups. Children learn from each other and support each other in the learning process. Your fourth, children will be able to do their work quickly. Answer is option 3. Next, a child with normal intelligence shows difficulty in reading and comprehending language. It indicates that the child is showing systems of first dyslexia, second dysgraphia, dyscalculia या dyspraxia. So correct answer is option 1, dyslexia. सो गाइज ये थे आज के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आगे आने वाले वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली मिल सके. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.